What if you could earn money just by browsing the web like you usually do? Imagine getting paid for your everyday internet activity without changing your habits. This might sound like a dream, but with the right tools, it's a reality. These tools come in the form of Chrome extensions that reward you for simply surfing the internet. You might wonder how this is possible. Well, companies are willing to pay for your browsing data to better understand consumer behavior. By using specific browser extensions, you can allow companies to collect anonymized data in exchange for compensation. This means you can earn money while visiting your favorite websites, all without any extra effort on your part. But don't worry about scams or wasting time on surveys and games. The extensions we'll explore are legitimate and straightforward. They operate in the background, allowing you to earn passively. Let's delve into how you can set this up and start earning today. When it comes to earning money online, skepticism is understandable. However, with the right Chrome extensions, you can rest assured that you're engaging in a legitimate opportunity. Extensions like UpVoice, Swash, and Nielsen Computer Panel have been vetted and are trusted by users worldwide. They offer a seamless way to monetize your browsing habits without any gimmicks. UpVoice is a popular choice, rewarding users for visiting sites like Facebook, YouTube, and Amazon. It collects data on the ads you see and compensates you with gift cards or points. Swash, on the other hand, pays you in cryptocurrency for your data, which can be an exciting option for those interested in digital currencies. Nielsen Computer Panel is a well-established name that offers rewards for simply running its extension while you browse. These extensions work by gathering data on the ads you view and the websites you visit. This data is then anonymized and used by companies to improve their marketing strategies. In return, you receive compensation, usually in the form of points, gift cards, or cryptocurrency. It's a win-win situation where your regular browsing activity becomes a source of income. Getting started with these extensions is straightforward. First, head to the Chrome Web Store and search for UpVoice, Swash, or Nielsen Computer Panel. Click on each extension and select Add to Chrome. This will install the extension onto your browser, allowing it to run in the background as you browse. Once installed, you'll need to create an account with each service. This usually involves providing basic information like your email address and setting up a password. Some extensions might require you to verify your email, so be sure to check your inbox for confirmation links. After setting up your accounts, the extensions will start collecting data as you browse. It's essential to keep these extensions updated to ensure they function correctly. Chrome will typically handle updates automatically, but it's good to check periodically. With everything set up, you can continue browsing as usual, knowing that you're earning rewards for your activity. To maximize your earnings, consider using multiple extensions simultaneously. This strategy, known as stacking, allows you to earn from different sources at once. For instance, you can run UpVoice and Swash together, earning gift cards and cryptocurrency simultaneously. This doesn't require any additional effort beyond the initial setup. Focus on visiting websites that these extensions target, such as social media platforms and major online retailers. The more active you are on these sites, the more data you generate, and the higher your potential earnings. Regularly check your extension dashboards to track your progress and redeem rewards as they become available. Remember, the goal is to make the most of your regular browsing habits. By integrating these extensions into your daily routine, you can increase your passive income without altering your internet usage. It's a simple yet effective way to earn a little extra on the side. To further boost your passive income, consider using extra devices. If you have a spare laptop or tablet, install the extensions there too. This increases the data you generate and consequently your earnings. Additionally, some extensions offer referral bonuses, so encourage friends and family to join. Each successful referral can add to your income. Automating simple actions can also help. For instance, using tools like ChatGPT to schedule posts or automate browsing can increase your activity on target websites. This not only enhances your earnings but also saves time. Keep an eye on extension updates and new features, as these can offer additional earning opportunities. In conclusion, earning money through browser extensions is a smart, hands-off approach to passive income. While it won't make you rich, it's an easy way to get paid for what you're already doing. By following these tips and strategies, you can maximize your earnings and enjoy the benefits of turning your browsing habits into a lucrative side hustle.